Happy Monday, everyone. Let's start with the question that we love to ask each and every Monday right here at Shop Talk. How do men and women like us, who work hard at their jobs, are kind to their coworkers, and are always willing to go the extra mile, continue to find joy in their work, get recognized for their contribution, and start each and every Monday with more passion and purpose? Well, that is the question, and this show will give you the answers. I'm Dr. Dawn, and welcome to the Monday Huddle. If you're a first-time viewer, I'm the CEO and founder of Dr. Dawn Shop Talk. And as we like to say here at Shop Talk, let's talk shop, shall we? In other words, let's talk about all those issues that we know can affect our success. And as a productivity coach, you guys, I am so passionate about that issue. In fact, I would love it if you would take the chance and check out our website. Take a look at our Taking Charge Signature Series. If you're interested in increasing your productivity, your possibility, and potential, this is for you. And in fact, I'm so excited to announce that starting today, April 26th, we are launching our brand new content for our DIY workshop. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, this is perfect for you. The DIY starts you with the 4 foundational pillars of our Taking Charge series. Think of it as those 4 legs of a tabletop. This is the foundation you need to become successful. And after 30 years of being in the workforce, and a good portion of that in management, you guys, these are my insider secrets of what I look for when I hire someone or offer them a promotion. So be sure to check that out. And in the DIY, we go over this as a 4-step process because just like that tabletop, this is the foundation you really need. Now, you could maybe skip over 1 or 2 of those and your foundation would be okay, but it's not going to be as steady, right? If you don't have all 4 legs of that table. And the 4 pillars of our Taking Charge system is centered around these 4 things. Pillar number 1 is your CEO mindset, really helping you understand how to take charge of your professional life, which definitely is going to spill over into your personal life. Pillar number 2 is all about rediscovering your passion so you can get more joy from your work and get recognized for that contribution. Because if you're happy with your job, you guys, it's going to spill over into a lot of other areas. Pillar number 3, our insider secret on number 3, is all about uncovering your grit and becoming unstoppable. This is definitely a common characteristic, not only in terms of those folks that I've always recommended for better positions or recommended for other jobs, but it's also a common characteristic among the world's top CEOs. So if you're really interested in taking your career up a notch and making sure you're living up to your full potential, you want to find new ways to uncover your grit and become unstoppable. In pillar number 4, I'm going to share with you all my insider secrets on the best method to make sure you're really utilizing your time. So it's my favorite time management hacks. Now, I've covered this a lot in the Monday Huddle, but with this program, of course, I'm going to dive a lot deeper so that you can really get a better understanding of how to be successful, not just in time management, but with all 4 of those pillars. Now, once you get done with the DIY, if you're still thinking, well, gosh, I don't know if I like a do-it-yourself, because then I'm not sure if I'm not going to be, perhaps motivated not to finish it, like I need an extra little push. So if that's you, what you might want to do is actually consider booking a power hour. That's where you and I can talk for an hour, or you can break that up into 2 30-minute segments if you'd like. And that's a live call with me. And we can talk about where you are in the Taking Charge system, okay? You also have the opportunity to book, of course, a double power hour. If you feel like you need 2 hours, then we can do that as well. Again, that's one-on-one coaching with me in a live call so that we can talk about those 4 pillars and anything else that you need to really make sure you're living your best life at work and at home. When you get done with that DIY, or if you take a look at the other packages we have on the website, the exclusive and the VIP, if you check those out, you'll notice they all come with those 4 pillars. So if you're an exclusive client, you get everything that we offer in the DIY plus 4 more insider secrets. If you're a VIP client, well, as a VIP client, you're going to get everything because you're a VIP client of Shop Talk. I'm just saying. So if you're a VIP client, you not only get everything that the DIY and the exclusive offers, but you get 4 more insider secrets for a total of 12. So be sure to check that out, you guys. I'm so excited that the new content is launching today. All right, now in today's episode, the Monday Huddle, it is all about making your current job your dream job. You guys, this is possible, even if you're absolutely miserable at your current job. And in fact, speaking of that, I want to share some statistics with you so that you don't feel like you're alone. One of the reasons we're even talking about this is you guys know, if you've seen our previous episodes this month, the theme this past month has been all about spring cleaning. In other words, cleaning up those areas that need cleaning in our professional and personal lives. So we focused on healthy boundaries. And before that, we did talk about time management. So you'll be sure to check out those episodes, if you will, so you can find out all of those tips. But what we're going to do today is we're going to start a brand new series on making sure that you have a dream job. And it starts with you taking where you are right now and making sure you turn that job into a dream job. Now, when I say that to our clients at Shop Talk, sometimes they really don't believe it's possible. I promise you, with my tools and my cheat sheets and checklists, there are all kinds of strategies to help you get to that point. But let me start by sharing some information with you so you don't feel like you're the only one out there who's struggling. Okay. Did you know that according to a recent survey, only 25% of people out there even believe that they're in their dream job? Add to that 76% of professionals are actually feeling very undervalued at work right now and are looking for other jobs. And here's one more statistic I want to share with you. Did you know that over 50% of people in the workforce right now are feeling burned out on a daily basis? Oh my gosh, you guys, as a result, can you see how rare it really is to love your job? What a rare gift that is. So if you feel like you are in your dream job, that is awesome. Then maybe instead share this content with somebody who's not so lucky. But you know, sometimes you can start off in your dream job and that can change, or you just feel like you're really close to being there and you just need a couple more strategies. So that's what we're going to be talking about, not just today, but for the next 3 episodes, being at your dream job and making sure you turn it into your dream job. If you're not there just yet, is going to be our theme. All right, what we're going to focus on today is really focusing on knowing what you're looking for. And when I say that, a lot of people might think, oh, okay, well, that makes sense. I need to kind of know what I'm looking for. But you guys, this is much deeper than that. Not only do you need to identify what it is that you believe would truly make you happy in your job, but you need to dive deeper by coming up with very specific questions and answers for yourself. So I want you to grab your notebook, grab a pen, grab a cup of coffee or a soda, whatever you need, and really think about a couple of things, okay? Let's start with some clarifying questions. You need to start by asking yourself, what is it about your current job that you really wish you could do and you just don't get to do right now? Are there things about your current job that you love? Start there. Now, we're going to get into very specific strategies in next week's episode when we talk about creating that dream job mindset. We'll be talking about lots of ways to make sure you're doing that. But for now, you can't even get to that until you really identify what is it that you're looking for. What do you believe would really make you happy at work? And remember, in previous episodes, I've talked about the fact that sometimes, even if somebody is miserable at their job, they still have a really happy life if they pursue all these passions outside of their job. But you guys, I don't want you to be one of those people. I don't want you to have to wait until after 5 o'clock to pursue your passions. There are ways to reignite your passions at work. In fact, remember, that's part of that DIY program I talked about, right? That's the second pillar. So what you need to do is identify, are you a people person? Or do you like to work better behind the scenes? Do you envision yourself being a CEO one day yourself? Do you want to own your own business? Now, if you want to own your own business, or you're not sure if you ever would, one thing that's really helpful about turning your current job into your dream job is that you can see all the things that your current job is taking care of for you. So, for example, let's say you already started a side business, okay? You feel like your real passion is your side hustle. Well, if you ever want to make that your full-time gig, here's the thing. You're going to have to be good at all of it. Because if you're blessed enough to have an awesome day job that comes with benefits, it comes with an HR department that's taking care of everything for you, it comes with people who help you with your taxes and they know how much to take out. It comes with folks who do your marketing. You don't have to maybe worry about that at your day job because there's a whole team that's taking care of sales and marketing and scheduling and all those kinds of things. So if you want to be a business owner, that might be something that's your dream job. Then again, you need to strategize and figure out all the things that you might need to farm out. You got to really concentrate on what is my zone of genius, okay? What really makes me happy? So be thinking about that. Now, another thing I want you to keep in mind is sometimes people really think they want to go into a leadership position and they think that it maybe is a different experience than what it actually might be. I've been in management for a long time and I've been always very, very blessed and grateful to have had the privilege to supervise the folks that I have supervised. I've also been very, very grateful to have had the amazing bosses that I have had and still have. So I feel that I'm very fortunate that way. Now, in one of our episodes about the dream job, we're going to be talking about how to have a difficult conversation with your boss if you're not as fortunate as me in terms of having an awesome boss. But in the meantime, you guys, if you think even a little bit that you might be interested in becoming a supervisor and that would make you happy, then really take a look at what the best supervisors do, okay? Because somebody who goes into leadership, if they're really awesome at it, they're in leadership because they're not only at the top of their game, but they really enjoy helping people and inspiring people to be their best. So that's why before you can even go into management, you got to make sure that you've got that CEO mindset and that you love what you're currently doing, or else there's not a way for you to be in management, at least not happily so. And your future employees will definitely be happier too if you do that. Okay, guys, so I want you to sit down with that notebook, that pen or pencil, that cup of coffee. I want you to really clarify for yourself, what is it that you're looking for? Okay, do a bunch of research, go out there and look at a bunch of job descriptions of what those positions might actually be. Okay, once you've narrowed that down, you guys, you are on your way to not only making your current job the dream job, but you're on your way to being recommended perhaps for the job of your dreams. What happens is people will see a difference in you. When you are so excited about your work, the powers that be will recognize that and they will recommend you for that next job. Or you'll go into a future interview, whether it's at your company or another's, and you'll just exude that confidence. In fact, guys, that's part of our career prep services at Shop Talk is I have a career confidence boot camp available for you where I help you cultivate that confidence so you walk into that interview and you really have the best chance possible of landing that job or that promotion, because I'm going to take you through what to do before, during, and after the interview. And I'm going to share all those secrets I can't share with you if you're somebody that I'm going to currently interview or hire, because I can't tell you what you just did in the interview. And I certainly can't tell you what you just did wrong. And it breaks my heart when I'm interviewing someone or am part of an interview team and they leave and they really think the problem was them. And there may have been just one thing that they didn't have or one thing that they just did wrong. And had they not done that, they really would have been considered for the promotion, okay? Or maybe they don't know that we've been cultivating the talent within our own department or division, and that's who we were leaning in favor of, and we probably said, oh my gosh, that person would be perfect for this position. I hope that they interview for that one. Okay, that's just a little sampling of the kinds of tips and tools and techniques that I share with my VIP clients, but you're a VIP if you're listening to this show because you're very interested in your own professional and personal development by joining us on a Monday. So I love that, and I love sharing these tips with you. All right, you guys, that takes care of our episode for today. I want you to have an awesome, awesome Monday. But before we end the show, don't forget to check out the website, check out our new content on our DIY Taking Charge Signature Series. And also be sure to show us some love on social media. We're broadcasting you today on Facebook and on YouTube. But Dr. Dawn Shop Talk is also on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and on Twitter. So be sure to follow us, show us some love for sure. Share the content, like, and comment, because I definitely want to make sure I'm providing you valuable information each and every Monday. All right, you guys, have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. Don't forget to join us same time, same place for your next episode of the Monday Huddle. Take care, everyone, and bye-bye.